Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. The figure above shows trapezoid ABCD. If M is the midpoint of AD and AD equals to 3 times BC, what fraction of the area of the trapezoid is shaded? Okay, now let me assume 1 has the length of this line segment BC. Then what is the length of this AD? So it is given that AD equals to 3 times BC. So to get the length of this AD, what I have to do is I have to multiply the length of BC by 3. 3 times 1 is just 3. So the length of this side AD is just 3. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw an altitude for the shaded region, that is for the triangle BMC. So this is an altitude. Since it's an altitude, it has to be perpendicular to the side BC. And also this is the height of the trapezoid as well. So the line I've drawn over here, which has a length h, is the height of the triangle or the shaded region, and also height of the trapezoid. Okay, now first let me find the area of the trapezoid. Let me write the stuff over here. Area of trapezoid. So the formula to find area of the trapezoid is 1/2 times we have to add the lengths of the two bases. So here BC is one base and the other base is AD, and now we have to add the lengths of the two bases, that is 1 and 3. Then I'm getting 1 positive 3. Then it has to be multiplied by the height of the trapezoid, that is given by this line segment, that is h. Okay, 1/2 times sum of the two bases times height. Now we get 1/2 times when I add 1 and 3, I'm getting 4 times h. Here 2 goes into 2 1 times, 2 goes into 4 2 times. So when I multiply 1, 2 and h, I'm getting 2h. Now I got the area of the trapezoid, that is 2h. Okay, now let me get the area of the shaded region. Let me write the stuff over here. Area of the shaded region. So actually the shaded region is a triangle, and the formula to find area of a triangle is 1/2 times base times height. So here the base is given by this side BC. So its length is just 1/2 times 1, and the height of the triangle is h. Let me write over here. 1/2 times h is 1/2 h. Okay, now I got the area of the trapezoid, that is 2h, and I got the area of the shaded region, that is 1/2 times h. Okay, now I have to find, so the area of the shaded region is what fraction of the area of this trapezoid 2h. For that, I have to write the area of the shaded region in numerator of the fraction. Let me write it. And in denominator, I have to write the area of the trapezoid, that is 2h. Okay, now let me consider this 2h as a fraction by taking denominator 1. Okay, now let me write this numerator as it is, that is 1/2 times h. Now let me change this division as a multiplication and get reciprocal of this fraction. Then 2h over 1 will become 1/2h. This h will cancel out. Then I'm getting 1 times 1 is 1 and 2 times 2 is 4. So that is 1/4 of the area of the trapezoid is equal to the area of the shaded region. So the answer for this question is the fraction 1/4.